Hello everyone, this is Nancy speaking from Qingdao YICH Mechanical Technology Company. This one is a 5-axis door painting machine. It is automatic painting, has an advanced automatic system designed for high-efficiency precision painting of doors, panels, and other flat or slightly contoured surfaces. It utilizes the 5-axis movement to ensure even coating, reduce overspray, and adapt to different door designs such as panel doors, covered doors, or doors with moldings. This painting machine can apply kitted for wooden MDF doors, internal and external cabinet doors, decorative panels, industrial door manufacturing. So, if you want to develop your production, welcome to inquire us about this painting machine. Also, you can see from the video, it has the water curtain and the air inlet and the exhaust system, ensure the environmental friendly painting. Also, it is very fast, more than about 5 to 8 manual painting. It has the stick for spraying the small balls like this one. Also, it can paint the doors evenly. If you have any interest about this painting machine, welcome to inquire us.